Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be making a powdered pounded yam. Stay tuned. As you can see, the yam is already in powdered form. This food can be served as dinner or lunch depending on when you want to eat it. Boil a hot water and add the quantity of the yam you want to make into the hot water and keep turning it. We need an extra turning here in order to get the texture of the pounded yam we want to make. A lot depends on our choice. Some people like it very light, while some people like it a little bit strong. After we must have turned the powder together, we need to add more water and keep turning it. I will advise you don't add so much water at once. Add water, cover the pot, allow it to boil a bit and then turn it, and keep checking if you have gotten the texture of the pounded yam that you like to eat. As you can see, the pounded yam is ready to be served. This food does not really take time for you to get it prepared. I actually like to prepare it when I don't have any strength to do any other thing. My option is to prepare pounded yam quickly. Pounded yam swallow can be served with any soup of your choice. I'll be leaving a link below on how I cooked the vegetable soup. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.